Hello learners, so today's video is about data validation. So data validation is used to control or restrict data entered in a cell. It is the process of checking the accuracy and quality of data before it is used, imported or processed. Like if you want a certain kind of data in your cells, so you can restrict by putting some conditions in the data validation tab, and after that restrictions the data will be entered in the way you want it to be entered. So the very common data validation tool is the list. So we will, in this video we will be going to see how to create a list. So let's say this is our ABC restaurant and these are the dishes, here are the prices, and we want a rating column over here. We want the customer to do rating, and we have to give a list. From that drop down list the customer will select the his desired rating. Data validation is available in data tab over here. So this is the data validation. In this data validation tab you can see three things: settings, input message, error alert. So in setting you have these many numbers of options from which you can select. So we are going to see list in this video. So for creating list you must be having some values, like in this example we are having rating, so we should have 1 2 3 4 5. So first we have to create it. So for creating list you should have a source data, like what you want to display in your list. Like in this example we are having rating, so the rating will be from 1 to 5, taking 5 as the highest rating and 1 is the lowest rating. So we have to give the list of the input which we want in the source. So in this case we want 1 2 3 4 5, so we have given. Just select the cells in which you want your data validation to be active, clicking on the data validation, going on the setting option, choosing the list, and there you can see a source option in which you have to select this 1 2 3 4 5, or in other words you can say the list, say OK, and now you can see that these are appearing. So if a person wants to rate fries, let's say 4, but there is a problem that these all ratings are not having any message. These are 1 2 3 4 5. So if you want to give an input message you can give it to title is rating, 5 is highest, 4 is, so let's say 5 is excellent, very good, 3 is good, 2 is average, and 1 is not good. Good. Okay. Okay. So now as the person will come to this drop down, he will get a input message that if he find the burgers average he has to give 2, if he find it good he has to give 3, if he find very good 4, 5. So in this way the person will be find it easy to rate something. So okay, so we have created a new column of tip. So we want the customer to select some tip for the waiters. So going on data validation, instead of selecting list, so now in source, since in the first case we have selected this list and we have given the reference over here of the cells, but now we are going to create a list just by giving a comma. So we can do that by here as well, 10 20 30 40. Okay, so these are the tip amount, and let's say input. Happy to reward you. Okay. So as you will come here, there is a title called tip and message is happy to reward you. So if the person is happy with the waiter, with the hotel management, he can give a tip of 10 20 30 40, and that will be included in his bill. So there are two ways in which you can include list. First by giving a reference to some cells in your worksheet, and second by just giving comma and placing your input messages So this was all about drop down list and data validation. In next video we will be going to cover custom data validation of restricting some values in a cell. So meet you in next video. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe channel, like, share and comment, and thank you so much for watching this video.